Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you where you can find your clips that you made in Twitch on mobile. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just don't use the Twitch application. We need to use the desktop on Chrome. So open Chrome or Firefox, whatever. Open Twitch TV. And when you will be here, go to right top corner to three dots and click desktop side. Right when you're gonna have it, you will see the desktop version of Twitch application. So you want to go right top corner, video producer. Yes. And here we are looking for clips. And like, which one was it? Yeah, I completely forgot which one was it. Give me a second. Yeah, content. So again, you go here. This is it, clips. And here you will see all the clips. I couldn't recognize which one was it. And now you can simply just click on a clip and you can delete it, or you can like click on it, title, and you can just simply share it here, open it, or simply click here and again you will open the application, or you can like open a new tab and then you can just easily copy the code here, the URL. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.